Come on in here. So, a while back, I don't even know how many years ago it was, we came and saw Rustic Designs by Rich at the Cotton Factory. Good little company that was making cute little charcuterie boards many, many moons ago. And then fast forward to what you got going on now. So good to see you, Rich, because what you're always trying to do is you're always trying to evolve, especially with what you're doing with wood. And now you got an exciting new space here in the main level of the Cotton Factory. So congrats, man.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Okay, so take us through this is kind of the retail space, right?
Yeah.
Where anybody can come in here and actually purchase some of the wood, purchase charcuterie boards.
Yeah.
But why is this space important for the business?
It's a great place to show our clients different species of wood so they can actually pick the exact slab that will manufacture their table or door with, or even a piece of wood to make a charcuterie board with. And then for all the guys out there that want to build their own table or who are in the industry, we sell all the supplies to finish, manufacture the table, and obviously they can pick out their slab of wood that they like to build the table with.
And we got the boss here working hard, or looking like we're working hard. Your lovely wife, Andrea. Hello, Andrea. Good to see you. How many years have you been in business for now?
This is going on our 6th year.
This is year number 6,
yes.
And it did start with charcuterie boards, right? That's kind of how it started, and then you were
with
always
the one-car garage, charcuterie boards, and rustic furniture. So
right, and still going strong with the charcuterie boards.
Strong, strong. Doesn't end.
Well, I was going to say, so where can you find these charcuterie boards besides actually coming here, Rich?
Cheese Boutique,
Home
Sense, The Bay, countless other retail locations, Peller Estates, wineries. So lots of local places. Can order from us online, whatever's easiest for the clients.
And then the tables. Okay, because we've been here doing some of these pours with the tables. Take us through this gorgeous looking thing.
Yeah, this is a custom piece that will be going out to a private home in Acton in the next few days. So it is a beautiful piece. We're really happy with the way it turned out. This material is called Burl Mappa, and a lot of our clients like this and pick this species to have their tables made.
Burl Mappa.
Yeah.
Because how many, that's something, I've never even heard of that before.
Yeah, it's from Europe. So we import a lot of stuff from different suppliers. There's the material in the raw form down below. So yeah, it's definitely a very unique piece that goes well with epoxy.
And this is custom made, like somebody would come to you and say what they want, and then you're making it for them?
This is, yes, exactly.
That when it comes to tables, you're just not churning out tables for people to...
It's exact length, width, thickness, color of epoxy, if they want epoxy, style of legs, and then once it's done, we deliver.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
I got your son Griff. He's still working hard with you too?
Yeah.
Morning, Griff. How are you, buddy? Good. Yeah. Good to see you, man. So we'll get Griff on the mic too, because you got some exciting things going on here.
Yeah.
Obviously, some really cool looking slabs that anybody can come in and check out. I want to kind of get into detail. Yeah. Let's take a break, because I want to know more about these slabs and where they come from, what kind they are, how unique they are, and then we'll go maybe actually into the workspace, because there's something special that you got going on in there.
Yeah.
Even for us, I know there's a room.
We're going to put you to work.
As you always do. We'll come back with Rustic Designs by Rich. New space, the Cotton Factory on Morning Live. Morning, y'all. They always got something cool going on here at Rustic Designs by Rich at the Cotton Factory. Take a look at this slab. Back here with son Griff. Good to see you, Griff. We got Rich. Okay, what is this?
Burl redwood.
So this is how big this tree is.
It was.
It was.
Yes, yeah, for sure. It was a huge redwood tree, hundreds of years old. This was cut like 30 or 40 years ago and then stacked in somebody's farm in Montana. So it was there for a lot of years, and the gentleman who cut them decided to sell his inventory, and I was one of the guys lucky enough to acquire a few of them along the way.
I was going to say, so how are you getting to be one of the guys?
Yeah, through certain suppliers. Give me a heads up, show me some pictures, and then we found out about them around Christmas time, and you know, here we are today with these beautiful.
So you want to sell this as one big piece like this?
Yeah, like this would make a gorgeous coffee table or just a dining room table.
Would you be filling these holes?
I mean, if the client wanted us to, we can, but I would prefer to just stabilize the piece and just finish it naturally.
Okay, let's look at some of the other pieces you got here. Can we just lean that back like that?
No problem.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. So this is like all of these are redwood?
Yes. Burl redwoods.
Burl redwoods.
Here's some that, you know, you can see some of the grain in it. You know, they're very unique.
Can you tell? Are you good at like seeing how old they are?
Yeah, start counting. I mean, we'll be here for a while. So.
How do you know?
Well, they say the rings, right? So, but these take hundreds of years to grow, right? And these have been in countless forest fires. So you can actually see on some of the bark on the outside edges the blackness of the bark from some of the fires from Northern California.
Who's buying these from you? Is it just any consumer off the street, or is it guys that are doing this?
There are, you know, some people that require a high-end piece for their home or an office building, but
right.
You know, there are a lot of makers out there that make special pieces as well that require these cool pieces for their clients.
And you guys do that too,
yeah.
Right? This is one side of the business. This is the retail shop, but you also do this side.
Yes.
What about this guy? Is this the same thing?
Same thing. Beautiful burl redwood slab.
So I can see this is an awesome table.
Yeah,
you know
gorgeous,
what I mean?
Gorgeous. So definitely very unique.
This guy here.
Yeah, same thing. I mean, it is another very unique, one-of-a-kind piece of redwood. And the possibilities are endless. I mean, there is, you know, a number of great applications you could do to turn that into a beautiful coffee table or dining room table.
What about these guys over here?
Those are California cottonwood. There's a finished piece over there where all your cupcakes are, so you'll be able to check that out. But those are also
California cottonwood?
That's correct.
So, so this one here, move all these delicious treats that you have for us. So you got some epoxy that are poured in here.
Yes.
To fill those holes.
Right.
Right?
So
and you find a lot of clients want to do that?
Yeah, I mean, with certain pieces of wood, it is, you know, it complements the wood when you can use epoxy with a slab like this, right? So
I know epoxy was the craze for so long. Are we reaching the peak of that?
Yeah, I think it's starting to plateau. I mean, when you got everybody in the world doing it, things start to get saturated. So I think the industry is, you know, it's waiting for something new for sure.
Cool.
So,
what I love about you guys, you're always innovating, always doing new stuff.
Yeah, we're trying our best.
Yeah, it's a family-run spot,
Yeah.
right? You got yourself, Rich. You got Andrea. You got Griff. You got Andy. You got the whole gang here.
Yeah.
And you're putting me to work as you always do. So let's go actually into the workshop because you got something cool going on over there.
Yeah.
We'll do that when we come back on Morning Live. But this is the new retail space that is open for business. You can come in and check it out and pick up anything you want. So I'm always amazed every single time that we've been here at Rustic Designs by Rich. There's always something cool when it comes to wood and working with wood that I've never seen before. Check out this table. What is this, Rich?
It's redwood. So it was 3 separate pieces that we joined and machined and sanded and oiled and came up with this.
But it looks like, when I first saw it, I thought it was like chrome.
Yeah, it definitely has some beautiful figure in the wood. It's a really nice piece.
Is this kind of a, I don't know, black walnut was always a thing that we were seeing a lot when it comes to tables. Like this table behind, is this black walnut here?
Yeah, this is black walnut, but this is definitely something very unique and cool. And, you know, people want different, right? So that's what we're going to try to give them.
So this is something custom?
No, this is just something that we acquired from our supplier and wanted to put it together to show our clients some different options.
Cool. We were in the retail space, your new retail space here at the Cotton Factory. This is the shop.
Yes.
This is where you guys do a lot of your stuff. What's going on in this?
Yeah, come on out and we'll show you what we're working on.
Shop.
Actually, here's a cool piece that you guys might appreciate.
Oh yeah.
So
just like a coffee table type thing?
yeah, this is something special. Oh.
Whoa!
So yeah, this is just it's a little housewarming gift for your guys' new digs.
Oh man, that is
on claps and corners.
awesome.
This is a machine custom logo
Amazing,
with
man. Thanks so much. That's so cool.
You're welcome.
Okay, so let's take it through. So what type of wood is this?
This is a special piece of clear old walnut that was actually grafted with walnut. Very old, over 100 years old, so it's definitely very unique.
And then had to put a little epoxy in a
Yeah, there was a small cavity
spots.
here. The logo was machined out and filled with your...
So I thought so that's not a stamp. Like that's actually epoxy in there?
Yeah,
So you
the
machine...
cavity was machined out and the colors were filled with your guys' logo colors.
Dude, thanks so much, man. Okay, so is it done? Like what else needs to be done?
You're going to oil it.
So what the finishing touch is the oil? So what type of oil we use on this?
We're
have it
going
right
to
there?
use this product called Easy Solo. It's a Canadian product, amazing oil, and
See
it'll...
it just for,
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like one of those products where you can eat off it
Yeah, I mean, once it's dry.
once it's dry. Okay, so let's pour some on and let's do it now.
For sure.
If we could, we got
Get
some,
your gloves
got
on.
some gloves. Okay.
And
Hey Luke, time for your checkup, buddy.
so I'm just going to pour a little on here for you, and then you can just take your time and start working the material into your guys' new table.
Awesome.
So
cool.
Why don't you just wipe that around and
Just move that all around?
Yeah, just in a circular motion and just get bigger and bigger. And
Okay, well we'll work on this amazing new coffee table for our new building that we're going to be opening up next week for everybody. Even look at those colors popping already. When we come back to Rustic Designs by Rich in the Cotton Factory, we got a new retail space that you need to come and check out too. Hey, wax on, wax off. Welcome back to Rustic Designs by Rich. We've been talking to Rich all morning, and I don't know, he gets boring to talk to. So we got Griff, his son Griff. Yeah, good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you, man.
What's going on?
Not much. We're just finishing up this table for your guys' new location.
Well, I was gonna say, like, this table is gorgeous, man, and what you've been able to do with it. When I first saw it, I thought it was actually a stamp. But you're actually going in there and taking the wood out and then pouring the epoxy in it.
Correct, yeah. So the logo's getting taken out there with a CNC machine, and then we're putting epoxy in that logo, sanding it flush, more hours of sanding, and then finishing.
Yeah, like how many hours of sanding would you have to do on a table like this?
A few days.
Look at you guys doing all that for us, huh?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Well, it's a statement piece. So a piece like this with the logo in it, businesses are going to have their clients sitting at it. You want it to be a statement piece, right?
You do a lot of that?
Yeah.
So this is a coffee table, but you can do boardroom tables with the logo in it.
Yeah, massive boardroom tables, 12-foot plus. Stamp your logo anywhere in the wood, and just have your logo right there.
But then even with the oil that we put on it, is it oil?
Yeah.
And then we're just kind of getting that off right now?
Getting that off, and really also when we're pushing like this, we're soaking it into the pores of that wood.
Because then what kind of maintenance would you need after this?
Not a whole lot. You
No?
just treat it like the table that it is, and after time, a piece of wood like this, all it adds is character, the more wear and tear, right?
Cool. How's it going with Dad?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is he driving you crazy?
No.
No, he's not. But it's cool that you guys are working together. It is a family-run spot, right? You guys work together on things, and I don't know, social media is such a big thing for you guys.
Yeah, it's huge.
Like, what do you try to do on social media?
We're just trying to keep growing it every day. That's where a lot of our business comes from. So, trying to keep up with the posts every day, showing what we're doing, showing
Always trying to do,
ourselves.
like, showing the interactive components, because it's really kind of cool what you guys are doing. Always trying to do new stuff.
Yeah, be more personal. The more personal you are, the more people like to tap in and see what we're doing.
You might be at home thinking that these are the legs for the coffee table, because when I first walked in, that's what I thought. Could we lift this off and actually show
Yeah, absolutely.
what the legs are actually like?
Yes.
Oh, it's got some weight to it.
So we'll lift it off and just throw it on the ground right here. So there's your standard.
Dude, that's so cool. Thanks so much, guys. That's going to be a statement piece in the new building for many, many, many years to come. Rich, get over here. Get over here. Andrea, get over here. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thanks for
Thanks,
coming
Andrew.
by.
Thanks, Andrea.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Griff. Good to see you, man. Okay. Rustic Designs by Rich. Cotton Factory. Brand new retail space. Doing some really, really cool stuff in Hamilton.